If you're getting calls on your iPhone and it's ringing normally, but it's not vibrating and you want it to also vibrate in addition to ring, I'll show you how to turn that on. Now let's head into the settings on your phone. So just open up the settings app and we're going to scroll down until you find the option that says sounds and haptics. Once you find that, just tap on that. And now we're going to do two things in here. The first one you can see midway down says ringtone. Just tap on where it says ringtone. Of course, this is reflection, just the default ringtone. It sounds like that. But at the very top, you'll see haptics. This is the vibration for your phone. So tap on haptics here and make sure this is not set to none. If it's set to none, it will never vibrate. And then you can just choose synchronize or any of the other ones. However, that's not the only thing that you need to do. You also need to go back out here until you get to this main page of the sounds and haptics. And now you can see right under where it says change with buttons, it says haptics, aka again, vibration. Just tap on that. Now, depending on what you set here, it might vibrate or it might not. If it's set to never play, of course, it will never vibrate. And if it's set to don't play in silent mode, it again won't vibrate when you get a call. So I would recommend switching this to always play. This will always vibrate whenever you get a call. If you have silent mode turned on, it will just vibrate but not ring. If you have silent mode turned off, it will both ring as well as vibrate at the same time.